In this small video, I will give you some tips to get the followers on social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. The first of all and first helpful trick is the follow the relevant accounts. You have to find the relevant accounts to your niche and you have to follow them. They will follow back you and in this way you can get the some initial followers to your social media accounts, whatever it may be, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So whatever the platform, you have to find the relevant accounts and you have to connect with them. You have to start the conversation with them, and then you have to follow them, and then some of them will follow back you. Next, you have to produce the content on social media regularly. You have to put the video content, you have to put the audio content, you have to put the image based content, and you have to put the text based content. You have to put all these four formats of content on social media, and you have to acquire the followers on social media. Guys, it's all about the game of content. So you have to put the lot of content on social media. One simple trick to produce the lot of content on social media is content repurpose. Using the content repurpose, you can produce a lot of content for social media. You have to first produce the content on one platform like blog or YouTube. Those two are the discovery platforms. People will strangers also can able to find you on YouTube and blog, because the what are the persons coming from to the blog or YouTube, those comes from the search engine. YouTube is a second search engine, Google is a first search engine. So there is a high chance to discover your content by strangers on social media, with YouTube and Google. So you have to put the content either on YouTube or blog, and then you have to repurpose that content to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Okay guys, you have to follow relevant accounts, and you have to, and you can also host some giveaways. So tie up with some brands and host giveaways. It will help to brands, and you also next you have to collaborate with other influencers. If you have 1,000 followers, just collaborate with who have the 1,000-2,000 followers. You collaborate each other and you will get both benefit. Okay guys, so I hope this quick live session will help you.